In this video, we'll talk about contexts for addition and subtraction. The first context that we'll talk about is change over time. These we can think about as add to or take from problems. For example, we could take 3 plus 2 equals 5. And here our scenario might be, a child has 3 grapes. Her friend gives her 2 more grapes, and now she has a total of 5 grapes. Over time, she acquired more grapes. Take from might be this kind of situation. A child has 5 grapes. She eats 3 of the grapes and now has 2 grapes left. So in the beginning she had 5, but we had to take away 3 grapes when she ate them. Our next context involves combinations. Here we're looking at categories of a set. These would be put together, take apart problems. This isn't a change over time, it's just looking at subcategories. So we might say, a child has 3 green grapes and 2 red grapes. How many grapes do they have altogether? So we didn't get more grapes. We just looked at 2 categories of grapes, the green and the red ones, and combined them into a broader group of just general grapes. For our take apart, we could turn this scenario around. A child has 5 grapes. All of the grapes are either green or red. If 3 of the grapes are green, how many grapes are red? Here we haven't added to or subtracted from the set. We've just broken it up into categories, and we've used that to figure out how many red grapes there are. Finally, we'll look at comparisons. Some words here that we use for comparisons are more and fewer. Here we might say Miranda has 3 grapes. Her brother Miguel has 2 more grapes than Miranda. How many grapes does Miguel have? Well, we take the 3 grapes and we add 2 more for Miguel, so he has a total of 5. We could turn that scenario around. Miguel has 5 grapes. His sister Miranda has 3 grapes. How many fewer grapes does Miranda have than Miguel? Well, we can look at the comparison here and see that she has 2 fewer.